Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue when you're streaming on Discord. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Discord app. Now, if you're getting a black screen when you try to stream a game or an app, here's what you can try. Step 1. Run Discord as administrator. Close Discord completely. Now right-click on the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives Discord the permissions it needs to capture your screen properly. Step 2. Turn off hardware acceleration. Back in Discord, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. Now scroll down and click on Advanced. Here, you'll see hardware acceleration. If it's turned on, go ahead and toggle it off. Discord will restart, so just let that happen. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. A black screen can also be caused by outdated drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date by going to your graphics card's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, and downloading the latest drivers. Step 4. Try windowed mode for games. If you're streaming a game, try switching the game to windowed mode instead of full screen. Discord sometimes has issues grabbing full screen apps. That's it. Try your stream again, and it should be working now. I hope this helped you fix the black screen issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.